Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and is always ready to help. It can write your emails, answer your questions, and even explain rocket science in plain English all from the palm of your hand. That's ChatGPT. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover exactly what ChatGPT is, how it works, and why everyone is talking about it. This technology is changing the way we interact with information, making complex tasks simple and accessible. Whether you're curious about its capabilities or wondering how it fits into your daily life, this video will break it down for you in a clear and engaging way. Let's dive in and see what makes ChatGPT so revolutionary. Every day, people spend hours tackling tasks that could be handled with the right words. Writing emails, summarizing lengthy documents, and searching for clear answers online can be overwhelming and time-consuming. ChatGPT was designed to address these challenges. It's a conversational AI, meaning you interact with it just like you would with another person. The difference is ChatGPT has read nearly everything ever written on the internet, making it an incredibly knowledgeable assistant. Instead of struggling to find information or compose messages, you can rely on ChatGPT to streamline your workflow and provide clear, concise answers. This scene sets the stage for understanding how ChatGPT transforms daily routines and makes information more accessible. GPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. While the name sounds technical, the concept is simple. You talk to it in plain language, and it generates brand new text based on what you ask. It doesn't just recycle old answers. It creates responses using knowledge from hundreds of billions of words found in books, websites, articles, and more. Imagine if you had read every book in every library, every Wikipedia page, every news article, and every research paper. If someone asked you anything, you could answer instantly. That's the power behind ChatGPT. It's not just a search engine, it's a tool that understands context and provides thoughtful, relevant answers. This scene clarifies the core idea and sets up how ChatGPT actually works. You type a message to ChatGPT, it doesn't search the internet like Google. Instead, it processes your input using its vast pre-trained knowledge and generates a response instantly. This means you get answers that are not only relevant but also tailored to your specific question. The technology behind ChatGPT allows it to understand context, nuance, and even follow up on previous conversations. By leveraging advanced machine learning, ChatGPT can assist with everything from simple queries to complex explanations. This scene wraps up the explanation, showing how ChatGPT's unique approach makes it a powerful tool for anyone seeking information or help.